In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Magnet in Helium 10. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your account, and then once you've done that, hover over Products, hover over Find Keywords to drive traffic, and then here you can see it says Discover Relevant Keywords, and then it says Magnet. So just click on the Magnet button. And then over here, once you're inside their magnet, you'll be able to basically go ahead and start looking for keywords. So first enter in your keyword. For example, I'm gonna type in pencil right now, and I'm gonna click on get keywords. I've done this search already, so I'm gonna just run a new search. It's gonna start fetching data, and whenever that's done, as you can see, there's a few things you have to consider. First, you have your filters up here, where you can basically go ahead and filter your search. So if you would like to actually do a deep research of a specific keyword, you can go ahead and put in different info and different data in here if you want to, and then apply filters, and these are going to get applied. And then down here you can see kind of your keyword search summary, the keyword distribution, the Amazon search volume, and then the word frequency as well. Down here at the bottom, you'll then be able to see the actual keyword phrases, their click shares, their conversion shares, the keyword sales, Magnet IQ score, search volume trend, and then some other things as well. You can load by just basically scrolling to the right. Now, this is basically how you use Magnet. It's very easy. You can just scroll down and see everything on this list. You can go to customize over here. You can customize different columns and some other options as well. You can export this data, you can translate if you want to, etc. So it's actually very simple to use and to get a lot of data in here with just a few clicks. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.